how I would learn Skool from scratch. I've been on the platform for 2 years now and helped a community that was making 250K a month, grew my own old community to 1.7K members, and scaled another to 30K a month. Skool is complicated. There's a lot of stuff that you can do. So a lot of people do nothing. And there's a bajillion ways that you can do. You can do a low priced membership, you can do a free community, you can do a free model, you can do multiple tiers in the community. So much stuff. So hopefully through this video, I provide some clarity and some next steps in terms of where you can go on Skool and the different things that are actually possible. I was on Skool when I was getting started on Skool 2 years ago. I think one of the biggest things I struggle with is that nobody in real life actually knows what you're doing. So I would get really active in the main Skoolers community. The reason for that is multiple reasons. Number one is you will make friends. And if you make friends, the chances of you staying on the platform is way larger, which means that you'll actually win because most people that stick with it win. Number two is you'll kind of pick up on these different strategies that you can actually do, right? Because when a lot of people get started, they kind of get pigeonholed into a single thing, which doesn't actually help them very much because it's like, oh, okay, they see one dude low ticket, but that one dude has like 5 million followers. So maybe you shouldn't do the same thing as that dude, right? Maybe you don't want to do it that way. Maybe you want to go more high ticket. So I think being on Skool and being a member will actually give you a sense of what the different options are. And on that note, I would also go through Skool 101. I sort of I was there live, so I can't be blamed for not getting these checked off. But I would definitely go there. It's really useful, kind of teaches you what to do. And then I would go to Discovery and find some different communities that you like. So let's say I'm into climbing, for example. So I would search up climbing and I'd be like, okay, cool. There's some communities around it. And I would join these and I would start being active in those communities so that I can pick up things that different community owners are doing that I like and even dislike. And those are basically the steps I would take. And I would do that for a little while. And then you'll kind of figure your way around. And also just go through the classic onboarding stuff that Skool gives you. So invite your members, everything like that. Invite your friends in that actually like your stuff. Okay, bye.